Hello friends, I am Ankit. Today I am going to talk about an interesting app, HelloTalk. So, HelloTalk is to is a language exchange app. Here we can exchange language like if you here are learners from all over the world. Some people are learning English, some are learning Hindi or other languages. So let's start. Go to the Play Store and install the app. I have installed that app, so I will open the app. Open, and let's see. So you need to do two more things. You need to let me log out and show you how to register. Log out, log out. So you can sign up. You can sign up with email, Facebook or Twitter. Let me go with the email. So you can put your email, Ankit @gmail.com, gmail.com, and password. Let's say example name XYZ, birthday, whatever you want to select, and gender, and your profile pic. You can choose it from anywhere. Let me select it. Yeah, I have selected this. So go for this and next. So I have an account. So HelloTalk allow only one account on a device. So I cannot create an account, but it will redirect you on another page, and there you need to select your native language, and you need to select the language you want to learn, and then you need to select the level of the language, and that's it. You can other things I will tell you in my account. Let's go for here and fill the password, login, and my account has logged in. So let me tell you features and how to use this app. So I will tell you everything. First, there is talks. In talks, there is the talks you have done with your friends. So these are groups. We can create groups. I will tell you everything about this. So let's go for moments. In moments, it's like Facebook wall. In moments, everything that people share, it is in moments. So in moment, it's default moment. Then go for learn. Hmm, Learn. You can see here people who are native have English as their native language and are learning Korean. So they have posted a post. So you can post. I will tell you how to post, and then following the people you are following. Following, yes. So I am following this native people. She is teaching how to use phrases or write these people have posted interesting data to learn. Okay, after the classmate, in the classmate there are posters of post of all the person who are learning same language that we are learning. Like he is learning English, I am also learning English. He also learning English, and now go for the profile. Let's search. In search there is there are people we can find and we can talk to. You can text to any person you want, like go for this and say hi. Say hi. It is asking for ratings. Say hi, and you will get the, yeah, you will get this. And search. Here is best match. People best match is like language they are learning is like or native language, and their native language is that we are learning. So online we can find the friends by online, people who are online now. Yeah, these people are online and we can text to anybody. You can see she is learning English, she is native English and learning Hindi, and they are also. So yeah. And nearest, the people who are nearest to us, they belongs from Delhi, India. Yeah, there are so many people you can text to anyone. And self introduction, it's based on introduction that have you have put. Okay, now let's go for profile. It's profile, my name, number of following, I am following, and followers. Yeah, self introduction. In self introduction you can put your introduction. And notepad settings. In settings you can manage settings, notification setting, chat setting, and who can find me, etc. And clear cache. Okay, let's use this app. Now I will tell other features of this app in next videos.